Hi, and welcome to the Directcaster.com podcast. My name's Rick, and today we're going to be talking about our API. Our API allows you to store various assets on your own server and then sync them with our system so that it can power your channel. And how that works is you sync assets from your system to ours, and then those assets go out and power your channel, whether that be a Roku channel, Fire TV, Android, or iOS, whatever the type of channel you have with us. We can sync it, and that makes things much easier for you. So we're going to explain that system and how that syncing process works today. So without much further ado, we're going to go into our screen here. When you go to our dashboard, you're going to want to click down on import videos and then to custom import. And that's where you're going to do a custom sync. Now, do understand that this does require a setup with us. There are setup parameters that have to go on. Your server has to communicate with us in a format called JSON, and it has to provide that information to us in a certain specific way and format. As long as it does that, then your system will sync with ours. You'll be able to store your own videos on your own server, use your own thumbnails from your own server on the channel, and then sync your names, your descriptions, and other things of your videos into our system. So let's go ahead and explain that. At the time of this video, the recording of this video, what we are doing presently is that we are just rolling out our category sync. So we're going to go over that first. Note that our API will be updated very soon with the category sync, but we'll go ahead and show you how that feature works. To sync and get your external categories for your external system, just go ahead and click on Get External Categories. You'll notice that in this case, from the demo, we have all the categories syncing in from the external system, and nice little button here to let you add a category. So in this case, we're just going to add a category. We're going to probably add a category called, let's just add a category called Free Preview. So let's go ahead and click that and add that category. Notice how easy that was. All you do is you click the button and it adds the category. Let's refresh the screen to make sure the category has come in. And indeed, Free Preview is now up in our categories. Next thing we want to talk about is we want to select the category we're going to import into. In this case, we're going to import into Free Preview, and we're going to select using the external thumbnails. Now, you can have us store the thumbnails for you locally, but a lot of our customers who have this external sync feature are already storing thumbnails on their server and feel that it's just one step easier not to have to move those thumbnails over to our system. So we're going to now click on the Get External Videos. Once we do that, we'll see all the little videos that have come over there. We just have a bunch of sample videos here. So let's go ahead and add this one video called, well, let's up at this one, The Early Bird Gets the Worm. So we're going to go ahead and make sure we're going to add that to Free Preview. We have the Use External Thumb URL selected, and we're just going to add video to Early Bird Gets the Worm. That's about all it takes once our system is set up. You can just simply scroll through your videos and find the ones that you want to add and simply add those to our system that easy. So this makes us stand out a little apart from our competitors. With our competitors, you have to upload literally everything to their system. Then you have to copy and paste all of your titles, all your descriptions into their system. And every time you want to add a video into their system, even if you're running something on your own server and you're having to add videos on your own server, you're having to add videos to their system separately. This is not what we do. We have a much more efficient workflow. We allow you to sync your server with our system, and the API then allows you to sync those assets right over to us. That will power your channel. So we hope you have enjoyed this overview today of how to use our API. We do have another API also that lets you sync users. So for instance, if you have a user, in that system, it will on our channel, we'll be able to authenticate that user with your backend server and then give an answer, as your server will give an answer as to whether that user is authorized or not to view the channel. And if the user is authorized, our system will let them view the channel. So this is a very, very helpful tool. Again, this is a highly structured tool. Your system must communicate with ours in a very specific structured way. But once it does that, you basically have authentication control of who watches your channel and not on one of our platform channels such as Roku, Fire TV, etc. So if you want to make that kind of channel for your business, please go ahead and contact us. You can find out more by contacting us at directcaster.com. And we thank you for this video today and you watching this video. And we ask that you like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And we'll see you next time here on the Directcaster podcast. Thanks and take care.